Every growth company is sitting on a massive amount of untapped operational data. Revenue performance, customer behavior, forecasting trends, organizational inefficiencies, leadership bottlenecks. But most companies struggle to turn that information into clear decisions fast enough to create real enterprise value. And in high growth or private equity-backed environments, slow execution is expensive. Hi, I'm Patrick Cole Bowman. I'm a PE-tested operating executive, board advisor, and fractional CEO, CRO, COO who has spent more than 15 years helping growth stage and PE-backed companies scale revenue organizations, improve operational clarity, and build investor-grade execution. Throughout my career, I've seen the same pattern repeatedly. The companies that scale successfully are not necessarily the ones with the best products. They are the ones with the clearest operating systems, the strongest accountability, and the ability to align leadership culture and execution around measurable outcomes. That's what I help companies build. First, clarity creates momentum. Most organizations are operating with fragmented data, inconsistent accountability, and leadership teams that are not fully aligned around the same priorities. Forecasts become unreliable, decision-making slows down. Execution becomes reactive instead of intentional. Strong companies create a single source of operational truth where leadership can clearly see what is working, what is not, and where the business needs to move next. Clarity creates speed, and speed creates advantage. Second, accountability drives execution. Growth does not come from strategy alone. It comes from disciplined execution across leadership, go-to-market teams, and operational systems. The most effective organizations create operating cadences that align sales, marketing, customer success, finance, and leadership around measurable performance standards. When accountability becomes part of the culture, organizations stop relying on heroic effort and start building scalable systems. That is where sustainable growth begins. Third, enterprise value is built operationally. Enterprise value is not created in a board presentation. It is created through consistent execution over time. Companies that command premium outcomes are the ones that operate with clarity, execute with discipline, align leadership effectively, and create predictable, scalable growth. Whether I'm working with founders, executive teams, boards, or private equity sponsors, my focus remains the same: helping companies become more aligned, more scalable, and more exit ready. Because ultimately, culture drives execution. Clarity drives growth. Discipline drives enterprise value. And that's the work. And that's the mission.